This tutorial shows how to make a moving rainbow pattern on the zip LEDs. The aim of the program is to show all 7 colors of the spectrum and use the potentiometer to vary the rate for the colors to change places. We start in design mode by selecting the zip LEDs from the outputs gallery. Then we need a control module for the program. The program script appears in this panel. We want to switch on the output continuously, so we cancel the 2 seconds by dragging a line from the Until tab to any empty space. Now we drag a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs so that we program them to light up. There are 7 LEDs, and we begin by choosing colors for them from this menu. Let's start with orange. Now some green. To make the display more interesting, we can choose to make the pattern move by scrolling. We can see how this works in run mode. Back to design mode, we will now choose all 7 spectrum colors. Here's the quick way. We can control the scrolling speed here. Let's slow it down. Again, we can see this working in run mode. Finally, back to design mode, we give the module a label. To have more control of the speed, select a potentiometer from the inputs gallery. This behaves like a volume control. We make it control the scrolling speed here. The maximum reading from the potentiometer is 100. The program script is now complete, and we can test how it works in run mode. Finally, we send the program to the microbit.